Hello friends, welcome back. You all know that I have done a school summer project on seed germination process and time lapse using kidney bean seed. I hope you like it, so stay with me, okay? So friends, let's discuss about seed germination process. There are various stages of development in seed germination process. First, we need to plant a seed in a moist soil. Then the seed will slowly start to absorb the water around it. Then the water will slowly reach the baby plant or the embryo inside the seed coat, also known as testa. A seed coat is nothing but it's a type of shell which contains a baby plant or the embryo. Slowly the embryo or the baby plant will increase in size inside the seed coat. Then the embryonic root will rupture from the seed coat, and this embryonic root is also known as radicle. Friends, we will discuss later on about radicle with more information, detailed information. So friends, let's move on next stage. So friends, you can see that the embryonic shoot has come out. This embryonic shoot, also known as embryonic stem, is also called hypocotyl. And you can see that in the previous stage the radicle has come out, and that radicle is growing bigger and stronger to hold the plant, and the seed coat will slowly get removed from the plant. It will eventually fall down. In the next stage, see, this is the root. This root will continue to grow larger and stronger to hold the plant. Now you can see this, the cotyledon has come out. The cotyledons are the first two leaves which come out with the embryonic stem, also called hypocotyl. So in the final stage of development, now you can see this, the seed coat has fallen down. Now you can see that the cotyledon has emerged and the fresh new leaves have come out. Friends, remember, the part of the stem below the cotyledon is called hypocotyl, and the upper part of the stem above the cotyledon is called epicotyl. So friends, these fresh new leaves are also called foliage leaves. Foliage leaves are also known as green leaves. So friends, we now have an complete sapling. Now friends, I will tell you the differences between the seed and the sapling. Friends, the seed contains the baby plant or the embryo, whereas the sapling, also known as seedling, is a baby plant which has already come out from the seed or the seed coat. Now friends, I will show you my plant day by day. It's 8th May, and as we discussed earlier in bean seed germination process, the radicle has come out. Now fun facts. Radicle is the embryonic root that fixes the plant to the soil and absorbs water and key nutrients from the ground. Now moving on day 2. Now it's 9th May. Now you can see this, the cotyledons have come out. Now fun facts. Cotyledons are the first leaves to appear from a germinating seed. Now moving on day 3. Sapling, complete young sapling. It's 10th May, day 3. Now you the cotyledon has emerged and the fresh new leaves have come out. And actually the cotyledon is the inner part of the seed which has come out. Then the cotyledon will slowly dry up and it will fall down. Now this down part of the stem below the cotyledon is called hypocotyl. As we discussed earlier, in seed germination process, the hypocotyl will get stronger and larger to hold the plant. Now this upper part of the stem above the cotyledon is called epicotyl. It's also known as embryonic shoot. Now these fresh new leaves are also called foliage leaves. Now moving on, fun facts. A sapling is a young plant also known as seedling. Foliage leaf is also called as fresh green leaf. Epicotyl is the region of an embryo or seedling stem above the cotyledons. The hypocotyl is the stem of a germinating seedling found below the cotyledons and above the radicle. Friends, this was today's video, and before saying bye-bye, I want to say you something. Friends, you all know that a seed normally takes 32 days to grow, but we are going to discuss that in the next video. It will be a little bit longer than this video, but in that video I will be live with you from day 4 and with more detailed information, and I will also show you my plan. And also please hit the like and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to get notifications when our new video